Hi, Corey. What you doing in there? You got yourself a little toy? Is that a little blue monkey? Dude, do you know what Corey reminds me of when like you could see her double chin and she like looks up?
What?
She reminds me of Nathan and Mimsy from South Park.
Shut up, Mimsy!
You're still cute. You just got the baby fat.
Did you soak that chicken?
I didn't. I forgot to soak the chicken.
Well, you have to soak the chicken.
Okay, we gotta soak the chicken.
That is your first job. Bro, it's bad for the motor, bro.
What are you doing? Does that feel good? And now you're contaminating it with that nasty wrap.
That's actually gross.
This wrap's clean.
No, it's
It's
not.
cleaner than your dick.
Hey, I showered sometimes. Hey, you know why we called you over? Because you're about to have the best fried chicken sandwich you ever had in your life.
It's a Sando.
Guaranteed.
Sando.
Alright.
You fucked up.
It's a Sando.
Chicken Sando. We're making you the most fire chicken Sando.
But first, Ryan and I have to go to the pharmacy to pick up the medication. We'll be back.
The pharmacy? You mean the Bel Air beer aisle?
Medication.
You're in for a real treat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty baked.
Of course you are.
Man, being a president's so freaking hard, bro. Like, why do people want problems now? Jeez, I'm starving, man. It's stressing me out.
Hello?
Hey, Agent G, how you doing? Yeah.
Yes, Mr. President.
Can you give me a chicken sando?
Yes, sir.
Alright, for sure, man. Thanks, appreciate it.
On it.
Sheesh, looks like I'm about to grub on a chicken sando today.
We have a code 331.
I'm on it.
Ow.
Ow.
Yo, dude, there was this girl at the club last night, bro.
Really?
Ass like that, dude. It was so.
It's the best.
Oh
you know?
my
It's the
god,
best.
bro. I love those thick girls.
Yep. Did you get it though?
Nah, didn't get anything.
Alert, alert, code 331.
Fuck.
Where is it? Found it. All right. Spices. Go. Got it. The buns. What's the status? I need a mallet. Mallet, where is it? God damn it, we don't have time for this! I don't know where the mallet is. I got it. What's the status on the spices? Spices are coming. God damn it. You're beating the meat too hard. If I beat it any harder, it's gonna explode. Chef, I need those spices. Coming. This isn't gonna work. Sweet mother of God.
Chef, how's that chicken coming along?
It's almost done.
It's looking great. We're close.
Spices. Salt. How do you grab salt? How do you forget the salt? We don't have time. I'm salting as fast as I can. Cornstarch.
We have a problem.
What's the problem?
I can't find the cornstarch.
You can't find the cornstarch. Good God. It's in the back, next to the icing. I don't see it. Look at the icing. It's in the back. Found it, Chef.
The oil. The oil has to be at 350.
Sorry. Get that oil heated now. Get that oil heated now.
Start the oil. Oil set.
All right, hey, egg wash. Egg wash. Chicken's ready.
Whisk. Where's the whisk?
How do you not know where the whisk is? How long have you been in this kitchen, sir?
Egg wash ready, sir.
chicken marinating.
Check.
Egg wash.
Check.
Spice mix.
Check.
I'm heating the oil.
We're missing something.
Sir, what are we missing?
We're missing the beer.
Get the beer stacked.
Beer ready?
Thank you, sir.
Beer ready? Alright, well, cheers.
All right, cheers. Yeah.
I think the president's gonna like.
The president's gonna like this one a lot. Yeah. We done good. We done good for ourselves today.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Is the oil ready?
No, not yet. Get that oil ready, fuck! The oil's reaching critical temperature. If we don't get this in now, it's gonna be too late.
Chef, the spread.
Jesus Christ! How's that oil looking?
The oil is at temperature.
Drop the chicken now.
Chicken drop in.
The buns.
Buns.
The buns have to be perfect.
Butter knife. Thank you, sir.
Oh, dear Lord. In the toaster. Make sure that chicken is perfect.
Coming along great.
If I hear anything from the president about this chicken sando, we're done. Chicken's almost ready. Get the bun. Spread! Get the spread!
Chicken is out. Spread is ready. Bun is ready.
Alright, start assembly.
Cheese.
Where's the cheese?
Got the cheese.
I need pepper jack, agent.
Pepper jack.
Get the cheese on the burger. Now.
Not on the bun. On the chicken.
God damn it, chef.
Pickles.
Where are the pickles?
Top shelf. Where are the pickles?
Damn it, get out of my way.
Pickles. Spread in my hands.
Alright, put it down. Bring it over.
Coming.
This has to be perfect.
Lettuce on. Tomatoes on. Bun on.
Send it.
Ready.
Good job, chef. Ship it.
He'll be here any second. I think we've outdone ourselves. It was hard, but we came through. We've accomplished. We've succeeded.
Who's picking it up? Agent G?
Agent G's picking it up.
Heard.
Okay.
What's up, dude?
Boys. Yo, so we got the most fire chicken sando for Mr. Prez.
Make sure he gets it.
Will do.
Thank you, Agent.
All right. Again.
Woo!
Is that right? Oh, hold on, give me a moment. I'll call you right back. Oh, thank you. I'm pretty sure I asked for a chicken sandwich. What is this? It's molded bread. The sausage? Who asked for a sausage? How about you eat this? Oh, you know, freaking trash.
Yeah, so
You gave him a raw sausage and a moldy bun.
God!
Bro, like...
why are you hiding?
It was fire, bro. Sorry, I couldn't talk for a minute.
Got lost in the sauce.
Thank you guys so much.
No, thank you for filming and being a part of this.
Man.
Dude, if you didn't get awarded with a free chicken sandwich every once in a while, what the fuck are you even doing here?